So guys, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then scroll down and click on Settings. And now once you've done this, you want to click on Privacy and Security, and then you want to scroll down and then click on Site Settings. And now we're going to scroll down till we see Camera. You want to click on Camera, and then you want to make sure that Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera has been enabled, and you want to scroll down. If you have any allowed or blocked sites that can or cannot use your camera, you could either disable them or you can enable them. All the sites that you previously visited will come up here. And now we're going to go back again, and then scroll down, and then click on Microphone. And we're going to do the same thing. Make sure that Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone has been enabled. Then we're going to scroll down. It's going to show you the websites that are not allowed to use your microphone, and the websites that are allowed to use your microphone. Make sure that the correct ones are enabled, and the ones that you don't want to use your microphone are disabled. Now once you've done this, you just want to restart Chrome, so just want to close it out, and then open it back up again. And now the problem should be fixed. But if the problem is still not fixed, then we're going to head over to Settings again, scroll down, click on About Chrome, make sure that your Chrome is up to date, and then your problem should be fixed. But as a last resort, we're going to head over to Reset Settings, and then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then click on Reset Settings again. And now that should fix the problem.